I felt really guilty, like I wasn't being a good mom. Most of my daughter's early childhood, I felt like I was not really there for her the way I should have been. She, I found, would have to help me. She would have to wait on me. She would have to help me do things when she was still a child, and I should be doing those things for her.
This is Juli. She just completed 365 days of getting healthy. When I asked about her why she embarked on this fitness journey in the first place, this was her response.
So now my why is so that I can live for her instead of her having to be there for me. It's my turn.
Her why drove her to make a change in her life, and she's doing it.
I feel better today at 59 than I did at 46. If you've been following me for this last year and have been messaging me or comments saying, "You're motivating me to get off the couch," I know you can. I'm living proof that you can, and I have faith in you. Justin has faith in you, and I know you have faith in you. You can do it.